Hey guys, Trade Desk back in with another video, and today we have some very interesting news. We talked about a stock in one of my past videos, XXII. I mentioned, I think it was at about $1 a share at the time. I mentioned that it was about to boom, and if we look at my past video, you can look back and see what I was talking about. But we talked about that way back here, and it spoke for itself. It's at $1.95. It rose drastically this morning. As you can tell, huge volume came in. It was down on the morning. It was down 1% on the morning, and it just keeps rising. It's steadily rose since about 11:30 up until about now. We have a beautiful chart coming. Now, this is going to be a short video, kind of just to talk about what happened today and what we can see looking forward. So, 22nd Century Group receives order for 3.6 million new Spectrum variable nicotine cigarettes. So this is pretty much their main product that they're requesting FDA approval on from the FDA and the MRTP approval. So announced that the FDA, in coordination with the National Institute of Drugs and others, has submitted an order to receive 3.6 million for research nicotines cigarettes. So the research is not connected to the MRTP application. So this is really just a bonus on top of the FDA still upcoming. As I talked about in my last video, you can look back. I talked a little more about that. About the FDA. This is a bonus on top of this FDA, and I think people are hopping onto this train. I mean, we got back here at 155 down in the day. We got some massive volume right there. Look at that. And it's maintained it. It hasn't had a sell-off, which is really strong. So, here's the chart. We got some in-depth analysis right here. We had a huge volume peak as soon as that order came in from the government, and then it's rose since. Now, I see this rising in the after hours, maybe getting close to $2. But one thing that's important is it broke its 188 52-week high, which is a huge resistance line when you're talking about stocks and the stock charts. So the resistance line kind of keeps it from getting past, and it's just a normal thing that's built in with investors that they don't want to pass. And it blew past the 188 resistance line, and it's going towards $2 right now. There is if we look at the order book, let me pull it up. If we look at the order book, not the order book, the depth chart, and we look at the market data, and we go back, nobody, and this is amazing news, when you see the green line on the left like this and the red line on the right, the red line is the stop orders for selling. So if you go to $2 a share, if you look on the left, 38,000 shares worth 80,000. Now, if this is way higher up here and the green's down low, that's bad because people want to sell it. But if you look, way more people want to buy it than people want to sell it, which is great news for the stock. So as my prediction over the night, I see this rising maybe close to $2, flattening out. We'll see what happens. And I can see it flatlining either tomorrow or maybe a slight sell-off, not too much. And just it's all good news. And I see this rising until the FDA approval. So that's all I had on today's video, guys. I hope you do enjoy. If you do enjoy, subscribe, like, comment other videos. If you watched my first one, you did invest in it, good for you. You're doing good. And stay tuned for my next one.